guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today is a very exciting video for me because I'm finally going to get to review the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is what it looks like right here. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm pretty sure you've seen it, all over social media and everything like that, on Instagram, on her page, on everybody else's YouTube page. I do have a real job, so this is the first chance I'm getting to film this review. This is so beautiful. Even just the box, I love it. It's kind of like snake skin, it looks like, and it has her initial right here, and it says Anastasia. I just really think this is so pretty. It's holographic. I love that. So today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial with the palette. I'm going to show you it and show you all the beautiful shades, and we're going to swatch them, and yeah. As you can see, I do have all of my makeup done except for my eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and do those on camera using the palette today. So if you're interested in seeing me do an eyeshadow tutorial using the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. But before we get into it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also click the bell beside the subscribe button, the big gray bell, and that will just let you be notified of any of my future uploads. So once again, I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for tuning in, and let's go ahead and I'm rocking my natural hair today. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with my natural hair and the progress that is made, and I attribute that all to wigs, guys. Braiding your hair up, putting it under wigs, or in some type of low maintenance, low manipulation type protective style, and I swear that really saved my hair. My hair was fried. I had it bleached and it was purple. My hair was done. It looked really bad, but it's back, and I'm so happy, and I just hope it just continues to grow and flourish. So now what we're really here for, we're not here to talk about hair, we're here to talk about the Jackie Aina palette. So when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. A beautiful, like, holographic snake skin textured. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like right here. Excuse my mess down there. Feel like a camera does not do it justice. When you open this thing in person, you will be blown away. Took a peek at it and I was blown away. You have to see this in person. The shade range and everything, it's just so different. It's so sultry and dark and sexy to me. It's so beautiful, and these beautiful like shimmers and the little pops of like pink and purples. I just think it's so pretty. It's so different. This is something that I don't have in my collection, this kind of like color scheme. I really like it. You've seen Anastasia palette, they all pretty much look the same. It comes with a pretty mirror, and it comes with a brush, which is nice. All the palettes are really like nice and compact. They come with everything you need. A brush, which I really do like these brushes. I use them all the time, and I really do like the mirror. And I like how compact it is, like how small. This is my 6th Anastasia palette, so we're gonna see like how it matches up to the rest of them, and is this one my favorite? I don't know. From the looks of this baby, it really does look like it could be a good contender for a favorite. So I'm going to what am I going to do? I'm going to start off with the shade Ginger, which is this shade right here on the end. A nice transition shade, will be a really good transition shade for my skin tone. And I did put it on the brush that came in the palette, but I actually think I'm going to use a bigger blending brush. This one's by Alamar Cosmetics. Ooh. And you just have to do the lightest little touch. Like, that was just a light little touch that I did, and you will get an amazing amount of color payoff. So I'm just winging that out on the outer V of my eye right here, and I'm just bringing that into my crease. Ooh, this is so pretty. Perfect transition shade. Look at that. And look at that. Look how pigmented that is. And I touched my brush in once. I really feel like with Anastasia shadows that it's really hard to mess up an eye look with her eyeshadow palettes because it's so easy. The shadows are always like so blendable, and it's really hard to, mess it up. I'm so excited for Jackie Aina. Like, I cannot even imagine how she feels having a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. When I saw her teasing things on her social media, so I was like, oh, I wonder what she's coming out with. Probably is an eyeshadow palette. great. That's awesome. But then when I saw it was with Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was like, what the? That is amazing. Like, what the heck? I was not expecting that, for her to say Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, that is goals right there. They're like one of the biggest, you know, high-end brands that there is. And for them to choose her to do a collaboration with is just like amazing to me. To choose a black woman, a black influencer to do a collaboration with this huge like white beauty brand, really. I was really shook and so excited for her. I jaw dropped when I found out it was with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I immediately knew there's no question I have to get this palette. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia brush and I'm going to go into the shade right here, which is called Pinker. Ooh, it's like reddish with a little hint of pink. So I'm just going to deepen up the crease a little bit. So yeah, when I heard it was with Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was so shook. And I knew I was going to get the palette regardless. Like, it's not an option. I didn't care what it looked like. I was going to get it. You know, it's kind of like Obama with the presidency. Like, you're going to support because it's a great step for a black person, you know, a person of color. I did not care what the palette looked like. I hadn't seen it. I just knew it was with Anastasia, and I was like, getting it. I can't wait. I have to support. So, but plot twist is actually freaking beautiful. So it worked out. But no matter what, I was going to support. It's a great step for black influencers, and I'm so happy for her. That's amazing. I'm placing the shadow directly in my crease and on my outer V. And like really dragging it down towards my lid area. Like, this is so pretty already. I'm going to go back in with the original blending brush and I'm just going to blend out that top portion, and there's nothing on this brush, no extra products, just taking whatever's left over already on it, and I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and blended. So I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the outer V a bit before we go in with the lid shade. I am going to use Credit, which is the deepest shade in the palette. It's this beautiful like chocolatey brown. And it has like a little bit of like, I feel like reddish undertones to it. There's a lot of reddish and pinkish undertones in this palette, which I think is really pretty. So I'm just going to go in with the same Anastasia brush and dip into Credit and then use that to deepen up. Ooh, wow. That's intense. Moral of the story, use that shade very sparingly. Go little by little because into Pinker, the more pinky reddish shade, and just add that back into the crease, making sure we don't lose that pinky shade in there. I really want that to stand out, but I'm doing it more towards the inner part of my crease, not all the way on the outer V now. There we go. So now I'm going to go in with something on the lid. For the lid, I'm going to take something that's nice and flat and, you know, really precise to pack color onto my lid. So I really want to use this shade right here, which is called Wigglies. Wigglies, like if you were Senegalese or Chinese, it's like Wigglies. I like that. So that's Wigglies right there. And I also love this shade right here, which is called Zam. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Ooh. It's like really, oh my god, that's so pretty. It's like, I don't know if you guys can tell. You can't tell, man. Oh, there it goes. You see how pretty that is? It doesn't really look like that in the pan, but when you swatch it, it's like kind of rose goldy. It's so pretty. I want to use both of those. Okay, I'm going to use both of those. I'm going to take this little brush right here and I'm going to spray it. I always spray my shimmers, so why even skip the step? Because trust me, your shade is going to look better if you spray it. I'm just going to go in with it right off the rip, and I'm going to put, ooh, oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm going to put Wigglies right here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So yeah, I'm just focusing Wigglies on the outer part of my lid. Oh my god, I'm shook right now. That is so bright and vibrant. Oh my god, look how bright fire engine red that is on my skin tone. This is beautiful. Ooh, that is freaking stunning. I'm going back in with the Anastasia brush now, and I'm going back in to credit the deepest shade in the palette, and I'm just going to blend those two shades together so it's not just like brown red, you know. So I'm just really tapping right here to get those two colors to mesh well, and running it in my crease a little bit. Going back and forth between the two brushes until I get the two colors to mesh well together. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take the other side of the same brush. I use most of Wigglies on this side, as you can see. So I'm going to take the clean side and I'm going to spray the clean side, and then I'm going to, ooh, I'm so excited for this. Look at that, look at that. Oh my god, I sprayed my mirror. Let's do this. I'm excited. Ooh my god, so pretty. So pretty. You see that? I'm gonna take the other side that has Wigglies on it. Just gonna add a little bit more Wigglies. Once again, going in between the two shades, just to mesh them together well. Ooh, just like that. So let's do the lower lash line. I'm actually going to use the other side of the Anastasia brush. What am I going to do? First, I'm going to line my waterline with some black eyeliner, I think. I'm going to take this one by Milani. This is their Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner, and it's very black and pretty. I use this one all the time. So I'm going to just line my waterline with this, and I'm going to tight line. Go into First Pinker, and I'm going to use that to smoke out that eyeliner that I put under there. Connecting it with the upper area of my eye, the upper eyelid. Just like that. Take the same brush and go into Credit too, the deepest shade, and I'm just going to put that on the outer V. I'm taking another little small brush, little bullet brush, and I'm going to take the shade we use as our transition shade. I'm just going to blow this all out, bring it down a little lower. That we need to do is the inner corner highlight and brow bone, and I'm going to do that and then go off camera to do my mascara and my false lashes, and then I'll come back and show you the final look. So the look is not done yet. I am going to add some mascara and lashes, and that will just really bring everything together. But so far I really like this. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. Might need to do a little bit more blending. So what I'm going to do is just do the inner corner highlights, and I'm going to use the shade Soleil, which is this shade right here. Ooh, so pretty. Just like a true gold. It's really pretty. Ooh. This is just a little e.l.f. brush, one of their like dollar brushes. And I'm gonna pop that right. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so bright. I love that. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm also gonna bring that a little bit on the lower lash line, like right in that inner part of my lower lash line. And you just see how that just really brightened everything up. Somebody deeper than me, man, this will be a perfect inner corner highlight. A lot of times inner corner highlights in palettes are too bright for us, like they're too frosty. This is a perfect one. This is perfect for your brow bone and for your inner corner. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it's so pretty, sultry, different. It's sultry and sexy, but using more of like reddish tone colors, which I really like. And I have noticed that Jackie really does use colors like this a lot on her channel. I definitely think this palette is a reflection of her. I mean, this is so pretty. I'm in love with this palette. I'm absolutely in love with it. Is it my favorite Anastasia palette? I mean, this and Modern Renaissance are close first and second, but this one has to take the win for me because I can use every single shade in this palette. Look at the shades. It's different. Even the inner corner highlight shade, I think that's so nice and unique that she did this really beautiful golden color that's perfect for, you know, melanin skin tones. Everything in this palette is perfect for melanin skin tones, and it's not actually what you would probably first think of when you think of tones for us. The reds and the purples and the pinks and everything, you really wouldn't think about that. You would think browns, you know, I would think more browns and golds. That's basically what every black person likes to use, are browns and golds. So I like that she incorporated pops of color, but pops of color for black girls. This palette is definitely for the culture, like definitely. So yeah, I'm in love with it. I cannot wait to just keep on using this. I'm definitely going to do another video with this palette. I really want to focus more on the purples because wow, especially this one called Shookington. I really want to use it, so I'm going to be doing another video definitely using this palette. So yes guys, we've reached the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the look down below. Are you going to be getting the Jackie Aina palette? Do you already have it? What are your thoughts on it? And yeah, other than that, I really have nothing else to say. So guess what guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.